MinIO Honest Review, Fast Object Storage or Overhyped. My user experience. Cloud storage solutions are everywhere, but few have gained as much buzz as MinIO. It's an open-source, high-performance object storage platform designed to rival giants like Amazon's. I tested it for data management and backup, and here's what I found. Most people think open-source tools are complex or unstable, but the surprising truth is that MinIO is one of the simplest systems to set up. Within minutes, I had a local instance running, fully compatible with Zappos. Performance-wise, it's seriously impressive. File transfers were lightning fast and the system handled large datasets without lag. It's built for scalability whether you're managing terabytes of media files or enterprise backups. MinIO keeps things running smoothly. Security features are another strength. End-to-end encryption, access control, and multi-cloud deployment options make it enterprise-ready. Thus, being open source means you can customize it to fit your exact needs. The user interface, however, is minimal. This isn't a tool for beginners. You'll need some technical know-how to get the most out of it. In real-world use, MinIO shines for developers and businesses seeking cost-effective private cloud storage. It delivers the speed and reliability of major cloud providers without the recurring fees. In summary, MinIO is not overhyped. It's a powerful, efficient storage engine that deserves its reputation. If you value performance, security and freedom from vendor lock-in, it's absolutely worth exploring.